Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to cook prawns. I'm going to cook a buttered prawns. I have the 1.5 kilo prawns is here. It's already half cooked, but I clean it all. And the mushroom, baby mushroom, sweet corn, 3 slices of sweet corn, onions and garlic. And I have the lemonade. So let's start cooking now guys. And of course, we don't forget the butter. This is from Loprak unsalted butters. So let's start cooking. So we have all the ingredients here. This is the prawns, 1.5 kilo prawns is half cooked. And the baby mushroom, garlic, onions, and the sweet corn, and the lemonade. And of course, our main ingredient is the butter. So let's start cooking. A beautiful day. So first thing I did is I need to marinate first with the lemonade. Get the lemonade, any kind of lemonade, as long as Sprite. You can use Sprite or any kind as long as it's lemon flavor. So marinate this one first. Yeah, this one, and leave it for 30 minutes. And this butter, I will put everything, this butter. Yeah, because I have 1.5 kilos, so it's better everything, everything, because kung dili na ako siya mahurot, I'll put it one in the freezer. I'm not finished. So this one, I think this is enough. Just cut it into like that. Yeah, because this is loads of this 1.5 kilo, so that's why. Now I put the two butter. Yes, it's 2 butter is enough for this one. Yeah, make it waiting first. Now the garlic. Let's do the garlic. Now the onions. So let's mix it all together guys. Atong i-mix ug maayo para mo kuan mo ihang flavor mo. So let's add the prawns. Yeah, and then I separate the prawns with this. Yeah, so let's make the more hot. And now I add a little bit of oyster sauce. Tomato paste. A little bit of tomato paste. And a little bit of pepper. Sorry, I was late. Little bit of pepper. Every person has different style of cooking, guys. And half tablespoon of salt, because I put the unsalted butter, so there's no salt over there. And the mushroom, baby mushroom. Yeah, this one. Mix it together. So this is my own version, guys. Every person has different style of cooking. Yeah. Now let's check, guys. What happened to the mushroom? Maybe it's already cooked, or let it soft already. I think it's soft now. Now the sweet corn. Only 3 slices, guys, of sweet corn. So that I already cooked that sweet corn. It's only half cooked, not totally cooked. Mix together so that the ingredients will absorb. So I will leave this one cook for about 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. Actually, guys, I don't put any water for this one. This water comes from the lemonade. Nothing. I don't put any water. Now it's already cooked, so let's eat, guys. Let's taste this one. So remove this one and turn off. Now it's here, guys. Look at. Yes, so now let's taste it if everything is fine or not. So now let's taste, guys. If everything is fine, if it's my cooking is okay for my okay para sa ako So let's do a little bit of mushroom here and the soap. Look at it, still there's a soap. I don't put any water, guys. Wala na ako butang tubig, pero kuan siya, daghan na siyang daghan siyang sabaw. Ako nagbutang. So let's eat. Look at. That's it, guys. Look, my camera is not cooperating me. That's it, guys. Let's check first the mushroom. Baby mushroom. Very soft. And this one, the prawns. This is a tiger prawns. The ingredients, everything is here. I can feel, I can taste the. Look at. Love it. That's it, guys. Ready to serve you. Actually, I'm not a professional cook. I try my best. I cook at home. My own food. This is my own food, my own style. Wow. Perfect. Really perfect. Kung yun na ko siya makurot, I will put this one in the freezer. So, the food is perfect. This is my own judgment because I'm the one who cooked for it. But it's perfect for me. I love it. And yeah. Craving satisfied for tiger butter prawns. So thank you for watching, guys. So I have loads of food in here. So if I don't finish it, I put this one in the freezer for my next day food. So that I don't need to cook every day. So thank you for watching. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel if it's okay for you, so that you can notify my latest video. So bye bye, guys. I need to eat my dinner now. This is actually my dinner. So with a lovely day, it's still 3 o'clock in the afternoon here in the UK. So bye bye. See you soon.